What's up, fam? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. So in the last video, I was getting the car quoted on how much it will cost to fix that little piece on the bodywork. So now I'm going to actually bring the car back up there, and the car is going to stay there for about 3 days so they can get that junk worked on. So like always, go ahead and like the video because that's a way of supporting the channel. And I'm gonna go buy some bread before I head up to where I'm going. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Like always, my name is Samdicating and I do travel and history videos. Now let's go ahead and take care of this damage.
Show you what it do. Oh yeah, loco, escúchame bien. Si puedo lograr todo, pues tú puedes también. Ahora tengo carros, ahora tengo casas, ahora todo está fluido como sangre de la raza. Let me introduce you to the reason.
So guys, I done picked up my bread. As you can see here, well, I don't think you can hear me. All right. So guys, I picked up my bread, as you can see here. Boom. Let me take out one of the breads. It's like the only bread I be getting. It's called hojadraos. My mom said, oh, it's a croissant. I'm like, no, mama, a croissant is a croissant. Hojadra is a hojadra. This is the bread. Like, the best way to eat this bread for me is to eat the bread in some hot tea or in some hot chocolate. All right, so you dip it in the tea or the chocolate and you eat it, and that's my breakfast. But in this case, I don't got no tea, nor do I have chocolate, but the bread is fresh, so still good. So yeah, man, hojadrao for breakfast. Now I'm walking to the parking lot where I parked the car to bring it to the bodywork shop. Mister. Bien? Good? Todo bien, tranquilo. So guys, I'm in the parking lot spot where I parked the whip. So some of you may be thinking, why do I park the car so far? Why do I park it in this lot? Right? For one, it's 24-hour security and the security guards know me. And for two, where I live, I don't live in like a traditional apartment where you got your own parking space and stuff like that in the apartment complex. I live in a neighborhood that has weird looking houses, and the houses are constructed in different floors, and some people construct the houses to where each floor is an apartment. So you can kind of say I live in the ghetto, but it's not all the way ghetto because I lived in way more ghetto here in Colombia and in many more in other places, but it's not high class, you can say, where I live at. So people just build houses, gut it out into different apartment looking like things, and that's pretty much where I live. But in the house that I do live in, there is a garage, a one-car garage there, but the owner of the landlord, she parks there. So, and I was parking in the neighborhood, which you can, which I did, and someone stole my side mirror. I learned once, I ain't parking there again overnight. I ain't parking there again for a long period of time. If I do park overnight or something, it's probably just one night, or it's probably just because I'm doing grocery shopping or something like that, and I'll park there. But either that, oh my gosh, man. So that's where we headed, guys, to take care of this disaster. So yeah, so if I do park there, just, you know, I'm staying there for a little bit, then boom, I'm moving the car. But I don't drive around the town. I walk everywhere around here. But that's why I park in this parking lot area. And it's all all dusty. So even after I wash the car, it gets right back dirty because this whole place is just dirt. But at least it's safe. Oh my gosh. Bro, somebody got car hit a motorcycle, a bicycle. There we go. There we go, man. Oh, every day, another accident. So I arrived to the shop right there. So you can't just park anywhere, man. Is the thing. And I'm waiting for them to let me know where I can park the car. This freaking stick shift. Fuck. Waiting for them to let me know where I can park the car. You know where I can park the car, man? Once they let me know where I can park the car, I'll park the car. Come on, I'm gonna hit the car behind. Oh boy, I'm gonna hit the car behind me. No. Okay. John, buen día, ¿cómo estás? Entonces, ¿bien? ¿Y qué?
Viendo la renta y todo, echando bueno.
¿La renta?
Sí, de la pensión y todo.
¿Pensión? Sí. ¿Algún día? ¿En 5 años?
5 años más, diga.
Es mi plan. Entonces, ya.
Stop. ¿Usted dice que ese stop lo conseguí por acá?
¿Sí? Si no, Mercado Libre.
Ah, sí. Mercado Libre, sí.
Sí. Entonces, ¿tengo que quitar las cosas acá o...?
Háganle la orden. Porque
Tengo que lavarlo. Siempre está sucio. Yo lavo.
es que el negro
Es como en
muy
3
bonito
días.
pero desagradecido.
Y también yo manejo en las destapadas. Entonces,
O sea, se mete por las trochas
sí,
a echar peajes.
eso.
Vamos igual, ¿eh?
No, pues es que ya compré uno por ese lado.
Ah, ¿ya
Hace-
cuánto le costó?
No, pero como 100.
Ya.
¿Está comprando comida?
¿Viene una cita al médico?
¿Cita médico?
Sí.
¿Tú?
No, yo no.
¿O ella?
Ella.
Oh, ok.
Ella es la dueña donde estábamos anteriormente.
Ah,
Hoy aquí estamos.
está sucio, ¿no?
Un poquito nomás.
Un poquito.
Uy,
Es que la ve en 3 días.
¿Esto cómo se llama? Un cargador de batería. Pues 2, 3, 4, 5. ¿Sí?
2, 3, 4, 5. ¿Sí?
El viernes en la mañana. Claro que está antes, yo lo llamo.
¿Cuándo será famoso?
No, fue madres. Esta firma no la hace nadie.
Gracias.
Gracias a usted. por confiar en nosotros, por traer el trabajo.
Claro. Yeah, guys, so left the car there. Now I gotta walk back to the crib. So I got some things to do in the crib. But let me talk to you guys for a while before I close out this video. So, of course, you saw them writing up everything because they have to write everything that's in the car, on the car, around the car. So that way, when you get back to pick up the car, you can't say anything was missing or whatever, because they have the checklist. They give you the checklist, and then they make sure they're up to date with everything that they do. Boom, 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 boom. So that's that. I'm going to pick it up in 3 days, and everything should be ready to go, you know, so no problems. You got to make sure that everything is in the car, so when they test drive or whatever, everything is good in case the police stop them. And that's all. So as you guys see, man, I'm living a regular life here, man. You know, not everything is adventure, or this is an adventure, just a different way, I guess. Depends how you look at it. But thank you guys for tuning in, like always, to this car fixing thing now, and I will let you guys know what happens next. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, because that's the way of supporting the channel. And like always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next adventure. Peace. Man, you know, I noticed so many bike shops have been popping up lately since the pandemic happened last year. So many bicycle shops, and more people are riding bicycles now. So hey man, you gotta capitalize on the business.